Let's go see what we got in the cage today. Well, baby. Cocoa bean.
Dad, get out the way. Ow. There we are. Where's the baby?
We got another possum. Oh.
You're okay. Dad, where's the baby?
Oh, he got some baby. Watch out. He got some baby possum. He'll mess you up.
I won't keep it, Dad.
No, you cannot keep it. It's his baby. It's her baby.
Can you move? Karma.
That thing looks mean. Yeah, it's a mom. It'll definitely mess you up.
Hi. What you doing? See, why are there flies on it, Dad?
Because it's an animal. Look at oh man, I want to see.
Oh, that's a cricket. I want to see the baby. I barely can.
Ah, get your fingers off that. Don't.
Can you bite right here?
It doesn't matter. It's going to protect his young.
Dad, is there poop over here?
I don't know. Here's Stu back.
Cause I want to go.
You're okay. You okay?
You know where, Dad, where's the baby? I
evil
can't
thing
see
looks.
it.
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Do you hear that thing moving right
Yep.
there? Can I keep it?
No, you cannot keep it. No.
No, I'm asking the mother, okay?
Yeah, you're not asking
Of her
him.
kid.
She's not going to let you keep her baby.
Hold it.
Stop.
There's
Come on,
bug
guys.
on it.
All right. Well, we'll video here in a little bit of us releasing it. Have a good day.